Hello children, the next topic is separating the components of a mixture. In the mixture, different components is there. I want to separate. What are the techniques we are using? What is the explanation of the corresponding techniques? In the nature, you know already, most of the substances are not chemically pure. Chemically cannot be pure. It is some mixtures. I want to get separate components from the mixture. What are the techniques we are using? Different methods of separation are used to get the individual components from a mixture. Within the mixture, we want the different components I need. I want to separate them. Heterogeneous mixture. If the mixture is heterogeneous, you can see with your naked eye, can be separated into their respective constituents by the simple physical methods. In the heterogeneous mixture, we can easily separate the entire components what you want from the entirely heterogeneous mixture. For that, we are using certain physical methods. These are generally we are using our day-to-day life: filtration, hand picking, sieving. Sieving, next filtration, hand picking. These are the physical methods we are using to separate the constituent particles, constituent substances from the heterogeneous mixture. Apart from this, the components of mixture can be separated from each other using some other techniques also, like evaporation, centrifugation, sublimation, chromatography, next to distillation. We will discuss one by one. What is that? Evaporation. Next again, what are the applications for that? And again, what is the method for corresponding technique? First one, evaporation. I am using the technique evaporation. Evaporation technique is used to separate the mixture of a non-volatile and volatile substance. Volatile means easily evaporated at normal temperature. At specified temperature, easily it will be evaporate. The technique is called as evaporation. You can see the diagram also. This technique is used in the case of separating the colored components from the ink. If any components present in the ink, I want to separate them. What technique we are using? Evaporation. Even salt from water. We want to separate the salt to water within that solution by using the same, and again the same thing, sugar from water also. What is the method? What method? It shows evaporation technique is mix some ink into water, mix water and ink particles. It is formation look like a solution, and heat is applied to the entire solution. After some time, the water will be start evaporating. Remaining ink particles only, it will be at the bottom of the entire surface, or leaving the behind the colored substance. The whatever the ink particles present at the bottom, and again all the water particles will be start evaporating. That is evaporation technique. Evaporation technique is used to separate the volatile and non-volatile substance. Volatile substance is nothing but easily evaporate at normal temperature. Applications: separating color components from the ink. Next, salt from water. Next, sugar from water. Method: if you add any one, in order to formation of the solution, then by heat is applied to the entire solution. After certain time, water will be get evaporated. Then remaining substance it will be reaches the bottom of the entire container. So that this is the evaporation technique. Next we will discuss the centrifugation. Centrifugation, next technique, separating the dense particle from the lighter particles. If you take any solution, within that lighter particles and again the dense particles, density is more than that of the other particles. In order to separate them, I want to separate only dense particle from the lighter particles. What is the technique we are using is centrifugation. Application for centrifugation is separating milk from cream. If you take a cream, how to separate the milk from it is by using centrifugation. Separating butter from cream to butter also the same technique. Squeezing out water from wet cloth. If you squeeze the wet cloth, then again the dense particles comes out. Even though within that also, what technique we are using is centrifugation. Next, what is the method? Here, milk is put in a centrifuging machine or milk churner the dense particles is comes out. Means the cream the separate from the milk, entire milk is separate. That is by using this technique we can separate the cream from the milk. The technique is called as a centrifugation. You can read the textbook. By using the activity you can easily understand. I am telling only what is the technique, how to separate from the one particle to another particle or dense to by different techniques, and again what are the application where we are using for corresponding to separate the particles or constituents. Next, using separating funnel to separate two immiscible liquids. Immiscible means incapable of mixing. Incapable of mixing. Two liquids will be mixed. Then again how to separate the different liquids. This is by using the separating funnel technique. Applications: oil from water. In order to separate the oil from the water, we are using the separating funnel technique. Even iron from iron ore. If you take iron ore, within that iron is there. I want to separate the iron particles separate by using the same separating funnel method. What is the method? What it explains is the immiscible liquids are allowed to settle in the funnel. If you take entire liquid, immiscible liquids in their funnel, they soon form separate layers due to varying density. Due to varying densities, suppose we take oil and water, oil much denser than that of the less denser than that of the water. So that oil will be top above the water surface. So that if you select those two substances, the mixture of those two, lowest density will be reaches the topmost layer, then formation of just different layers. Then the first liquid is allowed to flow out of the funnel, and as soon as it is completely poured out, the stopcock is closed. If you with the help of the stopcock, then first liquid's entire thing is fall down or the completely poured out. Then again if you close the stopcock, then thereby separating the other next density lower means oil will be separated with the help of this using separating funnel. Even if you take any two liquids, lesser density will be occupy the topmost layer compared to the highest density. That is by using separating funnel method we can separate the oil from water and or iron ore from that iron materials or iron particles will be removed from the iron ore.